everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you guys the brand new version of Samsung Clock that is a part of Samsung One UI 3.1.1. Now the interesting thing is that when you take a look at Samsung One UI 3, Samsung One UI 3.1, when you take a look at the version of the clock, it's actually the exact same. So it's Samsung One UI 3.1.1 that brings just a little bit more of a really cool UI touch to it. So inside of here, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to start the clock. Now what'll happen is normally when you get out of it, it's going to show it on the top. It's going to resume on the top right up over there in the notifications panel. But here you can see that you can actually interact with it. You can move this thing around, put it pretty much anywhere that you want. Also, the cool thing about it is that from here you can pause it. Now this is the first small screen that it goes into. If you were to tap it, it'll go back into it. You can actually pause it right there. Again, you can go through, you can resume it. You can completely open up the application again if you want to, or you can also get rid of it. So if you want it to go back to where it was from before, where you can manage it on the top with that notifications panel, you can see that it's still running. You can hit the down arrow and you can also hit cancel. So let's say you go back into the application and then you go back into the home. That little pop-up is going to come up again. Now the other really nice thing is that with the UI, you can see that it's basically kind of draining with the time left. So this one hasn't moved too much because it's a 15-minute timer. This is a 5-minute timer. You can see it's still going down, going down. So it's pretty fun to kind of see and watch what's going on, with this. And it's going to be the exact same thing if you had this one shut. So this is the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now let's say that we take a look at this front page here. Basically the cover screen, it's going to be pretty much the exact same thing. So it doesn't matter if this one for the Fold is open or shut, you're still going to see this same user interface for that timer. Now I don't know what it looks like just yet on the cover screen, so we're just going to scroll through here. We're going to see if we can see it running. I don't know. There it is. We can see it on that widget there. If you move the widget closer to the beginning, then you'd be able to see it. So this is what it looks like on the cover screen. When you go inside of the phone over here, you're still going to have it on the very bottom. So I think it's a pretty cool touch of what Samsung did. It's very small, but it is also very, very cool that now the user interface, kind of the way that it kind of looks, I think this looks a little bit better. And again, if you don't want it there, you can simply just exit out and it's going to be right back on the top. But I hope you guys appreciated this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air.